Hello, year one. Well done for getting through another week. Welcome to Friday, the 12th of January, and it is your reading skills session. So, today we're going to be looking at sequencing, and we're going to be basing that around the contents page. So, here is the contents page. Remember, what does a contents page tell us? Okay, superb. So, a contents page tells us the different sections that are contained within this book, and then it tells us the page number that they're on. Remember, at the start of the week, I also showed you the index, which is at the back of the book, and that gives you kind of key words, key phrases that you can search for, and you'll be able to find the page number that they are on as well. Okay, where would we find a contents page? Excellent, you'd find it at the front of the book. When you open the front covers, you should be able to find the contents page. We don't usually have contents page in stories, do we? They're usually reserved for our kind of information texts. So that's why we have one in our big book of beasts, because there's so much information and you might want to find something very quickly. We've been using atlases in school. Those are also information books, and they also have a contents page so that you can very quickly find the country you're looking for or the continent, that kind of thing. So it helps you in that regard. Let's take a look then at our activity today. So we are sequencing. So remember, we are putting things in order. So our very, very simple activity today is called Sort It Out. Can you reorganize the contents page that's in the right order? It's a little bit of maths here as well, isn't it? Because we've got to put those page numbers in order from smallest down to the largest. So pause the screen here, have a little chat with the people at home. Can you sequence these sections of the contents page? Off you go. Okay, excellent. Let's go through then. So the very first one, the smallest number, is page 6. So we know that our beastly families will start there. Then we have our 8, claws and jaws on page 8, howls, growls and smells on page 10, armadillos on page 12, baboons on page, oh, that's 16, isn't it? Not next. Foxes on page 14 and baboons on page 16. Now you might be wondering, well, where's 7? Where's 9? Where's 11? Where's 13? Where's 15? Well, what that means is beastly families is on page 6 and 7, because the next section is claws and jaws, which is on page 8 and 9. Howls and growls is on page 10 and 11. Armadillos is on page 12 and 13. Foxes is on 14 and 15. Baboons is on 16 and probably 17 as well. So that's what that means. That's why there is not every single page number. Okay, I told you it'd be very quick today. That was our super quick sequencing activity. Well done, and you've made it to Friday. I hope you have a fantastic half-term holiday, and we will see you after half-term.